Dear children, in this video we are going to learn about the decimals of multiplication. How to multiply the decimal numbers. Two ways are there, two multiplications are there. First we can multiply, we can learn the multiplication by 10, hundreds, thousands. That is very easy, you know well, isn't it? So we can learn first this and then we can go to by the whole numbers. Decimal number by whole numbers. How to multiply we can learn. First we shall learn about multiplication by 10, hundred, thousands. So normal multiplication 45 multiplied by 10. 45 tens are, yes, that is very easy. You know well, isn't it? 45 we have to write the first number and then we have to add the number of zeros here. That's all. So 908. So we can write the first number. Here we have 3 zeros. So we have to add 3 zeros. That's it. This one also 340. We have to add 2 zeros. This is the answer. You know well. Now we are going to learn how to multiply with the decimals. So we are going to learn about that. So for here we have an example like this. So no need to, here also you no need to consider about the decimal point. So you can write it as 10 and then what is the answer? If your number is like this, what is the answer? 56808. Yes, 5680. You will write like this, isn't it? Now you can come to the decimal place. After the decimal place, how many digits are here? We have only one digit. So you can come to this answer. This is the answer. Now you want to place the decimal point. After after the decimal, in the decimal point we have only one number. So here also in the answer also we have to keep the decimal point after right side. After you have to count from the right side 1 after the first digit, after you have to keep the point. So now can you tell me what is the answer? 568. 568 is the answer. Do you understand? Now if we have an example of the same number 56.8 but we have two zeros into 100. So what can I do? We have to multiply. How to multiply? No need to consider the number, the decimal number 568. It's a, you can take it as a whole number and then if you multiply that 100 you will get two zeros, isn't it? So you will get two zeros. So it just you can leave some place and you can write two zeros. Now you can come to, in the same way you can come to the decimal point. After the decimal point, here how many digits are there? Only one digit. So come to the answer. This is the answer. Here you, it's your duty to place the decimal value. So after right side, after we have only one digit. So from here you can count it one digit. After you have to keep the point in between this. So now what is the answer? 5680. This is the answer because our point after 0 is there, so it is, there is no value of this 0 here. So we can write like this or you can put point 0 also, no problem. But that place, the decimal place, you have to place it properly. Do you understand, children? We shall go for the next example. Again we have one example. You can consider that 5, 6, 8, 6, 7, and if you multiply with the 3 zeros, what is the answer? You want to add 3 zeros in this number. Yes, we added. So actually this is the answer. Now we have to, it's next thing, next work is we want to keep the decimal place. How many places are there? How many numbers are there in the decimal part? Yes, we have two numbers in the decimal part, 1 and 2. Two digits are there. So you can come here after the two digits, 1, 2. After the two digits, we have to place the decimal point. So the answer is 56870. So 56,850. 0.0. If it is necessary, you can put, no problem. But this is not needed here. There is no value of this. Okay, children. Here we have some exercise. Shall we do this? Try to do by yourself. 0.07 multiply 0. So what is the answer? 0, 0. No need to take any zeros here. Just you can write all the zeros. Now after 2 digit you have to keep the point. Isn't it? After 2 digit. So when you are multiplying you will get this answer. Yes. So 0, 0, 7. 0, 0, 7. It's a whole number I have written. And then we have to add 1 0 when we are multiplying by 10. So I added. Now how many numbers are there in the decimal part? 2 digits are there. So same digit we have to keep it. So 1, 2. So between 0 and 7 we can keep the dot. So actually what is the answer? 0.7. So after 7, for this also we don't have any value. Here also we can put one number, 1 0. That is enough. Then we can go to the next one. When you are coming to the next one, we can write 400, 400.6. Again we have to add 3 zeros, isn't it? So how many places are there? How many decimal parts are there? Only one. So you can keep the part dot decimal point after one digit. So this is the answer for this, 4,600,000. This is the answer. Do you understand, children? You can try to complete the answer for the fifth one. Now we are going to learn the next one, how to multiply the decimal numbers. How to multiply the decimal number by the whole number. In this example, 2.5 is a decimal number by 7. 7 is a whole number. Here we don't have any decimal point, isn't it? So when you are multiplying, you no need to consider about the decimal point. You can take it like this and you can multiply as it is. So when you are multiplying 7 5s are 35, 5, we have a 3 as a remainder, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 3 17. Yes, this is the answer. So when you are writing the answer, we can write 175. Now you can come to the question. Here we how many digits are there in the decimal part? Only one digit, isn't it? So after you find out the product, you can keep the decimal point after one digit from the right side. So the answer is 17.5. This is what we found here. Here we have another one example. So how can we do this? So here also you no need to consider about that numbers, that decimal number, decimal point. You can write it as a whole number and you can multiply. 8 5s are 40, 4 carry over. So we can write here 5 0 and 5 1 is 5. So this is the answer. So what is the answer? 5040 is the answer. Now you can come to the question. How many digits are there in the decimal part? How many parts are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there. So you can count from here. 1, 2, 3. After the third digit you have to place it. So 5.040 is the answer. Do you understand, children?